The legendary actress Gloria Gala Gutierrez, also known as Gloria Romero, has passed away peacefully to join our Creator on this day, January 25, 2025. We are grateful for your immense contribution to the Philippine entertainment industry. May you rest in eternal peace. Rest in peace po, Miss Gloria Romero, our Queen of Philippine Cinema. Everyone, maraming salamat at paalam dahil sa pagbibigay ng magagandang asal sa palabas na daig kayo ng lola ko. Thank you, Queen of Philippine Cinema, Miss Gloria Romero. Sa mga hindi nakakaalam, ang veteran actress na si Miss Gloria Romero is an award-winning actress whose career spanned nearly 8 decades. Romero's death was first announced by her niece, Lovely Rivero II, on her Facebook page while sharing photos of the late film star. The cause of death has yet to be disclosed as of press time. Rest well, our movie queen, Tita Gloria Romero. Praying for the repose of your soul and for strength for Maritas Gutierrez, Chris, and the whole family during this very difficult time. The late film star's death was also announced and reported by PTV on the same day. Romero's sole child, Maritas Gutierrez, has yet to make a public statement about her mother's death. The veteran actress was survived by her daughter Marites and her grandson Chris Gutierrez. One of her final public appearances was a tribute event dedicated to her life and legacy in celebration of her 90th birthday in February 2024. Nakapag-birthday pa at nakapag-celebrate talaga si Miss Gloria noong ika-90th birthday niya kasama ang mga mahal sa buhay at ang mga kasamahan sa industriya. Talagang ito ang napakasayang moment ng buhay ni Miss Gloria Romero. Talagang pinasaya siya ng kanyang mga anak at syempre ng kanyang grandson. Ito nga ang isa sa pinakamasayang moment ng buhay ni Gloria Romero kasama ang buong pamilya at ang mga kasamahan niya sa industriya. Talagang binigyan siya ng oras na makapag-birthday dahil saradong 90 years old siya ng mga panahong ito, nitong 2024. At ngayon nga lamang na ika-91st niya ay nabalita na nga na pumanaw na ang veteran actress. Ipinakita na rin ang masasayang moment sa nakaraang kaarawan niya.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Roma!
No, Mama. I will hold it. You blow it.
Roma!
Wait, three. You can do it. One. You want to hold it. Okay. You blow, Mama. Okay. One, two, three. Yeah!
Oh my God, there's not one dry eye in this house. Especially Sally Rodriguez. Kasi you call her Romero, right?
Kinantahan nga siya ng kanyang mahal na anak during her birthday celebration. Ika-90th birthday niya dito. Rest well, our movie queen, Tita Gloria Romero, praying for the repose of your soul. The veteran actress was survived by her daughter Marites and her grandson Chris Gutierrez. One of her final appearance was last February 24 during her birthday. At ito nga ang panahon na kinakantahan siya ng kanyang anak. Napakasaya ng moment na ito para kay Miss Gloria Romero at talagang kitang-kita kung gaano siya kamahal ng kanyang anak. At ito nga ay talagang inihandan, sorpresa ng anak para sa kanya para naman makapag-blow ng candle itong si Miss Gloria Romero during her 90s. Gloria Romero o kilala bilang Gloria Ann Borrego Gala sa totoong buhay started her acting career in the 1940s before she took on bigger roles in films and TV. One of the films that propelled her into superstardom was the 1952 film Madam X and Dalagang Ilocana. 2 years later, which earned her first FAMAS Award for Best Actress Award. Among her most notable films include Condemned, Nagbabagang Luha, Tanging Yaman, Magnifico, Moments of Love, Beautiful Life, and Rainbow's Sunset. Marami na rin ang nagpahatid ng kanilang sympathy at condolences sa veteran actress na si Miss Gloria Romero. Talagang ikinalulungkot ng mga tagahanga niya ang kanyang pagpanaw. Nabawasan na naman ang isa sa pinakamagaling na mga artista sa mundo ng showbiz. Kaya naman marami talaga ang nalulungkot at marami nga rin ang nakakamiss sa mga movies na nagawa ni Miss Gloria Romero. Marami na talaga siyang naiambag sa mundo ng showbiz kaya naman tinawag na rin siya na isang veteran actress.